Hello everyone, thanks for being here. I'm here to do a presentation. I'm Yunping Li, and I belong to Group 4. I would like to talk about our news analysis on November 30th, 2022. First of all, we compared the ranking of the Press Freedom Index of 6 different countries and select news resources on the web for each country. The first country is Taiwan, which is ranked number 38. The news source we selected is SET News Channel. The second country is the United States, which is ranked number 42. The news source we selected is CNN. The third country is the United Kingdom, which is ranked number 24. The news source we selected is BBC News. The fourth country is Japan, which is ranked number 71. The news source we selected is NHK. The fifth country is the Republic of Korea, which is ranked number 43. The news source we selected is Daily News from Korea. The sixth country is Malaysia, which is ranked number 113. The news source we selected is The Star. These are the Press Freedom Index of the 6 countries, and these are the references to the news sources. The second topic is news headline analysis. We selected the headlines on the home pages and international pages of each news source, and then did sentiment analysis and organized data with tables. This is the first table, the second table, and the third table. We can see in the table that the average is high because each news resources on the web reported 2 sensational China news. The former Chinese President Jiang Zemin passed away and China's COVID protests. Next, we visualize the data with chart in Excel. In the figure, we can see that there is no correlation between the number of positive stories and the Press Freedom Global score. Among the news headlines, we found the point of view of the stories are different in the news about Jiang Zemin between CNN and SET News Channel. The headline of the CNN news is Jiang Zemin, the former leader who paved the way for China's rise, dies at 96, and the headline of the SETN news is Tiananmen Square crackdown and the Third Taiwan Strait crisis are all related to him. Jiang Zemin's life made China more corrupt. We can obviously see that one is reporting objective and the other is reporting from a Taiwanese point of view. In the content of the news, CNN describes the news that is factual and have no personal or emotional interpretation of those facts. On the other hand, SETN News describes the fact more emotionally. In Taiwan, views of mainland China mostly negative. The next topic is comparing one of the news headlines to a similar historical event. One is China's police officers cracked down on hostile forces after protests against COVID rules in Chinese cities. The other is an unknown man who risked his life demanding democratic reform in front of tanks belonging to China's People's Liberation Army. What a familiar scene. Present stakeholders affected by the news headlines in Topic 4 is the President of the People's Republic of China, because for him there is one less political opponent in CCP. But how Mr. Xi orchestrates that feat paying tribute to Mr. Jiang while preventing him from becoming a symbolic cudgel against Mr. Xi's politics will be another challenge for him in the coming weeks. That's all. Thank you for listening to my presentation.